Hi everyone. If you are a writer who has been trying to use Google Docs, you'll discover that it doesn't have an inbuilt functionality to highlight your code. So in the instant case, this should be a block of code, but then Google Doc does not really support you making this a block of code. As you can see here, there is something to bold it, to bolden it, italics, underline, but there is nothing like creating a code block. How do you do that? And that is really what I'll show you in this video. It's very simple. Come over to extensions, click on get add-ons, then say code block. Actually, there are a couple of code blocks you can get on Google Docs Workspace Marketplace, but I prefer the one by Alex Forte. So it's already installed on my Google Doc. I got this other one too, but I didn't really like it. I prefer this one, so I think you should just get this one by Alex. Install it on your computer. It's free, so you don't have to pay. Once it's installed, you access it via extensions. You'll see it here, code blocks. So let's say you wanna highlight something, you click on start here. But this is quite a good way to start using it. The help it will show you the functionalities, the learn more, view install, every other things you need to know. But let's simply try to make this a code block. The panel is opening up here. So you can just click on format. That is if you are okay with this theme and this language. So you can kind of select the language you're writing. Let me check if it supports Solidity. Just search for your language here. There's no Solidity here, but you can see a couple of languages it supports. Or in some instance, you can simply pick a language that is closer to what you write. For example, now Solidity uses the linter of JavaScript, so it's quite okay if you pick JavaScript theme. And there you go. Let's change this back to auto. Yeah, and simply that is how to create code blocks with Google Docs. And you might wonder, how do you create inline code blocks? For example, you can't use this to highlight only a line. So the best thing to do is probably use the normal markdown. Normal markdown works for inline. So you can simply do this to get your inline code blocks. I hope this helps. You can do well to subscribe and I'll see you in the next.